If you want to be a better hitter or a better fielder, you need to get locked in. You need the Pro Cuffs. Introducing the Pro Cuffs by Delino DeShields. The Pro Cuffs' unique design helps a hitter finish their swing, ensuring a proper, powerful hip turn. The Pro Cuffs keep a hitter tight to contact by preventing arm separation, robbing the hitter of power needed to develop a modern swing. The Pro Cuffs are a necessary tool in requiring you to develop proper footwork. Fielding is all about the proper footwork. Training with the Pro Cuffs builds muscle memory and keeps you locked in to the optimal position for fielding the ball. The Pro Cuffs can help turn average fielders into great fielders fast. Get your Pro Cuffs now and receive a free instructional DVD. Just call the number on the screen or go to our website. Get locked in with the Pro Cuffs.